I'm Nisha Purapu and I welcome you all back to Nisha's Diabetic Kitchen. India, a country of different cultures and different traditions, and it has got so many different states, and each state is unique in its own ways and they have their own special cuisines. So today I'm going to take you to state of Bihar and share their staple recipe, which is Sattu Paratha. Well, Sattu is nothing but gram flour, but it is certainly not besan, because besan is raw gram flour and Sattu is roasted gram flour. And this is called a poor people's protein because it is very cheap and it is the best antidote for diabetics. So if you're suffering from this disease and you're not aware of this flour, then you should certainly go to the market and buy right away. So there are many different cuisines which you can make with this flour, but today I am going to share the most simplest and the easiest one, and that is Sattu Paratha. So I cannot wait much because I am in a great hurry to share this recipe with you all. And before we start, I would request all of you to subscribe to Nisha's Diabetic Kitchen and hit on the bell icon so that whenever I upload my new videos, you are the first one to get notified. So on that note, let's get started. Thank you so much. So here comes Sattu Paratha. Now Sattu is highly recommended for diabetics and it is consumed in many ways, and one of the ways is in form of parathas. Now usually these parathas are eaten with bengan ka bharta, but again if you don't have, you can enjoy this with a bowl of fresh curd, pickle or chutney. So on that note, I sign off and I request you to please subscribe to Nisha's Diabetic Kitchen by clicking on my picture above. Now see you again next week with one more healthy recipe. Till then, stay happy, stay blessed. See you again.